Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are a complete beginner and you just bought a sewing machine, or maybe you've had one sitting at home but you're afraid to touch it because it looks complicated, don't worry, you are not alone. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to use a sewing machine, from absolute zero. By the end of this video, you will know how to set up your machine, thread it properly, and sew your very first straight line with confidence. I've been sewing for over 15 years, and I will explain everything in the simplest way possible so anyone can understand. Let's get started. Step 1. Know the main parts of your sewing machine. Before you sew, you need to know the important parts of your sewing machine. Don't worry, there are only a few parts you really need to learn. First, this is the power switch. This turns your machine on and off. Second, this is the balance wheel, also called the hand wheel. This controls the needle manually. Always turn it towards you, never backwards. Third, this is the spool pin. This is where you place your thread. Fourth, this is the needle. This is what goes up and down to sew your fabric. Fifth, this is the presser foot. This part holds your fabric down so it doesn't move around. And finally, this is the foot pedal. This controls the speed of your sewing. The harder you press, the faster the machine goes. Think of the foot pedal like the accelerator of a car. Step 2, how to turn on the machine safely. Now let's turn on the machine. Plug your machine into electricity. Place your foot gently on the foot pedal, but do not press it yet. Turn on the power switch. Now, slowly press the foot pedal and watch the needle move. Practice pressing gently. Beginners should always sew slowly. Speed will come later. Control is more important than speed. Step 3. How to insert the needle properly. This is very important. Look at your needle carefully. One side is flat. The flat side usually faces the back of the machine. But for some machines like Butterfly, Singer 15, and many straight stitch industrial style machines, the flat side faces the right side toward the balance wheel. Loosen the needle screw, insert the needle all the way up, then tighten the screw firmly. If your needle is not inserted properly, your machine will skip stitches or break thread, so always check this carefully. Step 4. How to thread the upper thread. Now let's thread the machine. Place your thread on the spool pin, pull the thread and follow the thread guide, bring the thread down, then bring it back up. Now pass the thread through the take-up lever. This part moves up and down, then bring the thread down again. Now insert the thread through the needle. Always thread from front to back. Pull about 5 inches of thread and leave it behind. This is your upper thread ready. Take your time with threading. Even professionals thread slowly and carefully. Step 5. How to prepare the bobbin thread. Now let's prepare the bobbin. The bobbin is a small thread at the bottom of the machine. Open the bobbin case, insert your bobbin inside, pull the thread through the slot, close the bobbin cover. Now turn the balance wheel towards you. Watch the needle go down and come up. Pull the upper thread gently. You will see the bobbin thread come up. Now pull both threads together and place them behind the presser foot. Your machine is now fully threaded and ready. Step 6. How to sew your first stitch. Now it's time to sew. Place your fabric under the presser foot, lower the presser foot down. This is very important. If the presser foot is up, your machine will not sew properly. Hold your fabric gently, press the foot pedal slowly, let the machine move the fabric by itself. Do not pull the fabric. Just guide it gently. Watch the needle sew in a straight line. Go slowly. Slow sewing gives better results. When you reach the end, stop pressing the pedal. Turn the balance wheel to raise the needle. Lift the presser foot. Pull your fabric out gently. Congratulations, you just made your first stitch. Step 7. Common beginner mistakes to avoid. Let me share some common mistakes beginners make. Number 1, sewing too fast. Always sew slowly when learning. Number 2, forgetting to lower the presser foot. This causes messy stitches. Number 3, threading incorrectly. Always follow the correct threading path. Number 4, pulling the fabric too hard. Let the machine do the work. And that's it. You now know how to use a sewing machine step by step as a beginner. With practice, this will become easy and natural. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future sewing tutorials. In my next video, I will show you how to sew perfectly straight lines like a professional. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.